show you simple banner design, and here I'm gonna name it design banner design, and width is 720 pixel, you can see here, and height is 300 pixel, and 720 ppi was taken, that's it enough. So let's come to new tab. Yeah, so I'm gonna taking image. For that I was already edited image in Photoshop. I was created a shade also, you can see here. I'm gonna copy this image from Photoshop to Illustrator directly. Check here, Control C, Control V. Yeah, it's coming directly from there. With shade also it's coming. Just adjusting that banner size. Okay, next I'm gonna taking ellipse tool. I'm gonna reduce that. Just I'm going to adjust, that's it. I'm gonna need to change color also. Wait a second. Yeah, here. And this design same you can make Photoshop also, but that is pixel work. No, this is a raster, but this is quality is more. If you're creating in any designs in Illustrator, quality is more. So I'm gonna choose red color here. Here I'm gonna just little bit. I want to off that color. I'm giving only stroke over there. Stroke also same size I'm gonna choose, and stroke size, yeah, this is enough. Little bit. I think small work. I think I'm taking long time here. I was already created wordings also, content. I'm gonna copy that content, that's it. Yeah, here to there I'm going to copy. So yeah, and one more thing, outside the artboard objects, how I'm going to hide. See, first I'm gonna select, so I should select everything. Check that layer, just make clipping mask, that's it. Thank you for watching video.